Hi, welcome to Cynthia Global Travelers Realtor Tips, Tricks, Words, and Gifts for the month of December. I'm looking forward to spending the month with you and teaching you all kinds of new things and giving you gifts, which is what December is all about. So please stay with us. Once you get your word or your tip, then at the end, just like us and subscribe, and you'll continue to get the new words updated daily. Day 8 of Cynthia's December Realtor Words for Thee is FHA loans. FHA loans are part of a group of loans that are insured by the federal government. This means that instead of actually lending money, the FHA insures banks and private lenders that they will cover the losses they might incur in the event that the borrower does not repay the loan in full or in a timely manner. There is also something called an FHA 203 rehab loan. This is a fixer-upper type of loan, which combines the mortgage loan with a loan to help pay for repairs or updates, such as structural repairs or energy-related updates. It's not intended to lend based off of luxury upgrades, such as adding a swimming pool or a tennis court. Contact me for more information about an FHA loan. Hey, I'm wearing this silly costume. The least you can do is hit subscribe below and join me for the rest of the videos.